Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for joining me today. Today I have a card with using the Spellbinders card kit dies. It comes with this fun little tiny poinsettia die and then these little leafy as well as some sentiments. And I'm also using a stamp set from the card kit of the month for October. That's what we're in, right? So what I've done is I've taken various foils, just scraps from my bin whenever I cut things. I keep a specialty card bin by my die cut machine, and I've just cut out in 2 reds. This is from Nuvo, and then copper, silver, and gold. And I haven't popped them out yet because I was saving that to do the video. And then I have cut from a piece of watercolor card. I sprayed a couple Nuvo shimmer sprays in, let's see if I can see the colors here, Silver Smoke and Wild Olive. And that gave me this fun sort of muted shimmery grayish greenish paper from which to die cut my leaves from. Let me show you those. Need, but I die cut a bunch out and so they have this sort of variegated color there. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I've got a card blank here that is 5.5 by 8.5, and then you just simply fold it in half and that gives you an A2 size card, and this is just in a solid black. And then for the inside, since it's black, unless you want to write in a gold pen or something, I have a 4 by 5.25 piece of card there. So, or yeah, white card, smooth white cardstock, if I can pick it up. And then I'm just going to glue that down on the inside. That way I can stamp or write my message. That will be ready to go. Of Bristol white watercolor card. I like to use the Bristol in some instances compared to just plain watercolor because it's a little whiter. And then I've sprayed it with the Silver Smoke spray to kind of just give some droplets and a background a bit there. So it's a little bit bendy because of that. So I'm just going to straighten that out. And now we can start. It's a real simple card. If you ever feel like, oh, I need a card really quickly, just take some of your media, if you have inks or watercolor markers or whatever you've got handy, and go ahead and, I can't see because my mat's black. Go ahead and just start spraying a little bit, and then you automatically have an interesting background there, ready just to be decorated with not much. So I'm going to get my leaves here. I'm going to pop out, not sure how much of this I'm going to use. Alright, so you can kind of lay out where you think you might want all of the little poinsettias, and then under that I always take a picture of it because I forget. So there's a little tip there. You can take a picture of it and then you feel free to slide that out, because then we're going to go ahead and use our branches. With a little beard. And because this wants to pop up, I'm going to go ahead and put my scissors on there. Okay, so let's start gluing down bit by bit here. I'm not going to glue every little jot and tittle down because I want some of it to have a little dimension there. I just love these sprays, these shimmer sprays, and the gray and green together is very pretty. Putting them in there. The only doubles I have are the red, so I'm going to make sure I don't know, I don't think we'll need foam. We'll see. And make them all one color. Might have to switch to my fabric tack because there's so many layers of card there. This is a much stronger glue. Normally I just use on ribbon and fabric, but I think I need it. The block, and go ahead and set that on there. I have this sentiment. I'm going to put some foam adhesive on here. Okay. Like that. Okay. And then if you want to use for your centers, you could use the little bits of die cut that are left. Like I've got some copper ones here that I could put in the middle of the, put it in the middle of the gold one. On there. Let me show you that up close. So I've just mixed and matched the little centers as well. You also have these little leaves that come out from the die set, so you could stick those, but I'm going to stick with my leafy green branches and all of that. I like the simplicity of it. I like the dots, the splatters, and it's a quick card using those dies. Alright guys, thanks for joining me today. See you in the next video. Have a great day.